Thank you for clicking on my PowerPoint titled FHA Purchase Loan. This is Cortez Johnson. Please visit my website, www.loansbycortez.com. Information. This PowerPoint presentation was created to provide home buyers with information regarding the FHA purchase loan, so they will be well informed and make a wise decision. What is an FHA purchase loan? FHA loans are insured by the Federal Housing Administration. 5 reasons to call Cortez. I have the lowest interest rates. 2, receive a credit to pay all closing costs. No other lender or bank is doing this. No broker points, no origination points, no application fee. How to qualify. How much you can afford depends on your debt to income ratio. If the FHA debt to income ratio is maximum 55%, for an example, if your gross income is $5,000 per month, you would take 5,000 times 55% equals $2,750. Your new mortgage and all other creditors cannot go over $2,750. This will determine how high you can go with your home purchase. FHA purchase example at $300,000. Let's say you have an accepted contract at $300,000. The down payment will be 3.5%, which is $10,500. With the loan amount and one-time FHA MIP, your loan amount will be $294,566. Along with the transaction are closing costs. Closing costs are usually 3%. In this case, it will be $9,000. So, to close escrow, total amount to close without my credit would be $19,500. This would be the down payment and closing costs together. Total amount to close with my credit would only be $10,500, which is the down payment. So you see the advantage that I give all of my clients with my credit. Now, the monthly payment breakdown goes as follows. I have here the principal and interest, property taxes, mortgage insurance, hazard insurance. The total would be $2,049.59. What are closing costs? Closing costs are fees associated with the purchase transaction. Again, the closing costs are usually 2 to 3% of the purchase price. For an example, if the purchase price is $300,000, the closing cost will be between $6,000 to $9,000. Again, with the FHA purchase loan, I, Cortez Johnson, will pay all of your closing cost fees. Here is a list of closing cost fees to the right. The only fees that I cannot pay is the appraisal fee and the home inspection fee. FHA closing cost is a credit, and yes, folks, it is real. I often get emails from people saying, Cortez, you're going to give me thousands of dollars for a credit? And the answer is yes. The higher your credit score is the higher the credit from me. My credit is not a loan. My credit is not a second mortgage. My credit does not have territory restrictions like other programs, and my credit does not require you to have low income like other programs. Mortgage interest rates. Interest rates change daily with the bond market. I have no control over the daily interest rates. Interest rates go up and down daily. However, I will give you the lowest and best rate based on the bond market at that time. So, I recommend to get a quote from myself and a quote from your bank or credit union or direct lender and let the best man win. My motto, I cannot be beat. Here are FHA basic requirements. You must have a 600 credit score. You cannot have any open collections. That is a no-no. We must prove a 2-year work history. The last 2 years of your taxes must be filed. Funds for the down payment can be a gift. You cannot have a short sale or foreclosure in the last 3 years. Most condos are not FHA approved. If you are married, we must run your spouse's credit report. No accounts on your credit report can be under dispute. This is a very important slide. These are the 5 do nots when you are in escrow. Do not max out your credit cards. Do not apply for new credit cards. Do not miss any creditor payments. Do not buy a car or new furniture. Do not, and I mean do not, quit your job. What is the process? Very simple. Step 1, free consultation. I'll answer all of your questions. Step 2, based on your scenario, I will provide a free quote. Step 3, submit an online application at my website, www.loansbycortez.com. Step 4, email or fax me your documents to 1-800-830-1798. This is a secure fax that goes straight to my email. Receive a free Fannie Mae DU approval. This will help you get your offer accepted. And the last step, step 6, start shopping for a home. Again, step 1, loan application. Go to my website, www.loansbycortez.com, click on apply online, and do the online secure loan application. Step 2, fax or email me your personal documents. 1 month's paycheck stubs, driver's license, social security card, 2 months bank statements, all pages, even the blank pages, copy of your 401k if you're going to get your down payment from the 401k, copy of your last 2 years federal tax returns, all schedules, copy of the last 2 years W-2s, phone number and fax to your landlord if you are a renter, phone number and fax to your employer for employment verification. Call Cortez for a quote today. My direct number is 310-927-2699. Email me questions at cortez@loansbycortez.com. Website. My website is www.loansbycortez.com, and here are my 2 office addresses. Thank you very much for tuning in.